So in Mahabharata,
Mm-hmm.
Ekalavya is there. Have you remembered?
Yeah, yeah.
Ekalavya is there. You remember, right? Ekalavya.
Yes, yes.
So Dronacharya, he not allowed that person to teach for the
But
person Dronacharya. He's not allowed
uh,
that person because you are belongs to so and so category. We can't teach you like. But what the person did is
he learned himself by using his own
exactly.
strength.
So we should have anyway. I'm going to learn. If that thing is going to be happen from you, then I will show gratitude my lifetime. If you are not going to tell, then definitely I will learn from somewhere. And I will teach you
Mhm.
some extra points also. This is the thing,
Mm.
my common dialogue to any person. If any person is trying to, okay, escape to share the knowledge, then directly one time or two time or three times I'm going to say, fourth time I will use it. It seems you are not willing to share your knowledge. Don't worry. Just give some time. Whatever you have, more than that, I will explain to you so that you can enhance your skill. Like I can challenge them. Array YouTube videos or that knowledge. Can you please how you are doing? Can you please let me know? No, 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 no. He's telling. Okay, busy after 2 days, 3 days I will meet. Array, after 2 days, 3 days, if I ask, no, actually, it is not done by me. It is done by some other person. Okay, one of my friend did. I don't know about that. Wow, wonderful. Right? Can you please share your friend contact number so that I can connect? Then this person is going to tell, my friend is currently in the US. Okay, he's not having contact number. Even I don't know. That's why I'm not in a position to share. Clear indication that he's not willing to share his knowledge. Correct, right?
Yes, yes.
Some way we can identify and I can approach. Array, you are doing X activity. That is not final. There is a possibility to do 2X activity also. This is the way. Why don't you enhance your system? Like after a few days, I have to suggest that person. That is the bigger mindset problem is there in our bosses, in our leads. Remember.